Good day, everyone. Welcome to TLE ICT Entrepreneurship class. Once more, this is Teacher Onins, and I am here to guide you. Our topic for this morning is participate in video and audio conferences in a safe and responsible manner. We are now in a 21st century world. Everything we need is just a click away from the internet. Have you updated your blogs yet? Or have you tried to talk to your friends and loved ones through video calls? Today, we will be discussing on how to participate in video and audio conferencing in a safe and responsible manner. But before that, let us have first a review on our previous lessons. Have you tried exploring the different type of wikis? Did you start writing and sharing your blogs? If in case you did, have you followed the correct steps in posting and sharing blogs in a safe and responsible manner? We have studied in our previous lesson about wikis and blogs. Today, we will be discussing a new lesson. But before we move on, let us first familiarize these words that we will be encountering in our new lesson. Can you guess these unfamiliar words? Arrange the given letters to identify the unfamiliar words. You will be given 5 seconds to answer each item. Let's start. This refers to words or button that you will click when you want to be part of the audio and video conference. The correct answer? Join meeting. Next word. These words are button which refers to the use of video and audio devices to connect two or more people in different locations on the globe simultaneously and in real time using the internet. The word is video conferencing. Next word. A sequence of characters that identifies a user when logging into a computer or website. And the next word is username. Next, it enables one to pass or gain admission, such as sequence to access to a computer system. The correct word is password. Next word is used to establish communication and initiate interaction with a computer or system. And the next word, log in. Now remember these words so that it will be easier for you to understand our lesson today. What is audio conferencing? Audio conferencing, also called as teleconferencing, which means two or more people in different locations use technology like a conference bridge to hold an audio call. How about video conferencing? Video conferencing, also called as teleconferencing or web conferencing, is an online meeting wherein two or more people can see, hear, and talk to each other using computer networks to send audio and video data in real time. Now, these are the important steps on how to participate in a video and audio conferencing in a safe way. Remember these steps in proper order. This will be asked later on your learning task. It is also good to take note the importance of video conferencing during enhanced community quarantine or ECQ. First, connect the internet using a web browser. Second, log into Skype, Google Meet, Fuse Meeting, FaceTime, Messenger, or Zoom using your account. Third, check your camera, microphones, and audio. And fourth, start your meeting to your colleagues. It is also good to take note the importance of video conferencing during enhanced community quarantine or ECQ. Video conferencing boosts productivity, saves time, reduces travel expenses, and overall promotes collaboration. The advantage of video conferencing is the ability to facilitate all of those benefits without requiring constant travel for face-to-face communication. Now, let us familiarize ourselves with the pictures or icons used in video and audio conferencing. Let us learn it again from Teacher Jeff of DepEd TV. Remember to listen carefully in order to answer the activities that follows.
Take a look at these pictures which are usually used in audio and video conferencing. The first image refers to software, the programs and other operating information used by a computer. The second image refers to sign in computer security. Logging in is the process which an individual gains access to a computer system by identifying and authenticating themselves. The third image refers to virtual meeting when people around the world, regardless of their location, use video, audio, and text to link up online. The fourth image refers to links. The link is the physical and logical network component used to interconnect hosts. The last image refers to password, secret word or phrase that must be used to gain admission to something. How do people communicate with each other, especially in this time of pandemic? There are many tools that can be used in communication. One of these is through audio and video conference. As a grade 6 pupil, you must be familiar with class meetings. Do you know that there are also audio and video meetings or conferencing? What are some of the things you do in setting up these meetings to make sure that they run smoothly? What do you do to prepare for the meeting and to conduct the entire meeting? How do they help us in everyday living? Can you identify these tools and software that you can use in communicating with other people? These are some tools you can use where you can chat and see the person that you are talking to. The difference in the meeting lies on the equipment used. Wide screens and monitors are usually used for video conferencing through different softwares and sites. Let us now learn how to use Google Meet in video conferencing. One of the platforms that is frequently used in audio and video conferencing is the Google Meet. It works very well for two individuals and a group of people. Without any of the applications or tools, it is very impossible to participate in video conference. We will be using the Google Meet as our platform. First step, install Google Meet in your device. You may search of this application, just look for this logo. Second step, launch Meet and sign in to your Google account. If you do not have an account, click Create an Account. Third step, after signing in, you can click New Meeting. But if the meeting is hosted by another person, click Join Meeting after you receive the link or the code to join the meeting. Fourth step, you can now start video conference with other people after you are admitted by the host. And lastly, when participating in audio and video conferencing, it is very important to observe the guidelines and protocols. Be safe and responsible. That's it. Those are the steps on how to use Google Meet in video conferencing. Now, these are the protocols when participating in an audio and video conference. Attendance of the participants will be checked. After testing your speakers and video cameras, you are expected to turn them off. Only after you are recognized by the moderator should you turn your speaker and video camera on. Turn on your camera so your teacher can see you. Wear decent attire. Observe one device per user. Never open accounts simultaneously through a mobile phone, laptop, and desktop. Now, here are some of the guidelines when participating in an audio and video conference. Be punctual and courteous by attending 5 to 10 minutes earlier than the given schedule. No multitasking. The people can see you unless you turn off your camera. If it is improper for a face-to-face meeting, then it doesn't work for video conferencing either. Make sure you have good lighting. No eating. Do video calls from your desk or other appropriate location. You can also use other tools or apps in video conferencing like Facebook Messenger, Skype, and others.
Now let's move on to the advantages and disadvantages of audio and video conferencing.
Let us now learn the difference between an audio conferencing from video conferencing and its advantages and disadvantages. Audio conferencing is a telephone meeting conducted between multiple separate callers. 3 callers define a conference. Audio conferencing is sometimes called teleconferencing and traditionally means using a telephone instrument to conduct a business meeting. Advantages of audio conferencing. Number 1. Telephones are widely accessible and generally provide an easy method for meeting attendees to join into a conference session. Number 2. Users of telephones can easily operate their telephones and connect to locations both within and outside of their home and office. Number 3. Teleconferences are quick, easy, and generally widely accessible for participants. Disadvantages of audio conferencing. Number 1. Telephones can vary significantly in their ability to produce clear and intelligible audio. For example, the quality of audio produced by a cellular telephone can be quite different from the quality of audio produced from a conference room speakerphone. Number 2. The varying degree of audio quality introduced into an audio conference by callers can negatively affect the overall meeting. In some cases, the noise induced by the lowest quality audio conference participants can be so great as to become disruptive to all call participants.
Now for your learning task 1, give the importance of video conferencing during enhanced community quarantine or ECQ. Write your answer inside the cell phone screen. Did you answer the same way? Video conferencing boosts productivity, saves time, reduces travel expenses, and overall promotes collaboration. For your learning task 2, arrange the following steps on how to participate in a video and audio conferencing in a safe way. Number the steps from 1 to 4. Write the number on the line before each step. Did you answer the same way? Good job! For your learning task 3, give the importance of participating in a video conference and audio conference in a responsible and safe manner. Write your answer in the laptop's monitor. Now for your assignment, answer learning tasks 4, 5, and 6 in your weekly home learning plan. Once more, great job! Thank you, learners. See you again next time. This is Teacher Onins. See you!